Good morning, one and all. I welcome all of you to the lecture Pathways of Computer Application. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the robotics. Is this presentation visible to you? Yes, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This presentation is taken from Capgemini Counseling. So I thanks them for providing such a nice presentations to us. There are various type of robots, but we are just going to discuss about robotic process automations. The next revolution of corporate functions. This is the next revolution of corporate functions in companies. The most of the work will takes place with the help of robots. Nowadays that is happening, but some of the work are happening with the help of robots, and some of the work happen by the human beings. Means man nowadays robo is supporting to the human, robo is supporting to the persons, but in future what will be there, only robo will do that work. That is the robotic process automations. There will not need the control to the robo by the humans. Robo itself will control himself. In these presentations, we are going to discuss about RPA compared to traditional automation. In traditional automation, what was there, as well as Capgemini feedbacks on RPA implementations, corporate functions eligible to RPA, and then 3 benefits to RPA, and improve employee and customer satisfactions, accelerated productivity gain, enhance compliance, and lastly we will see RPA implementation roadmap, how to implement the RPA. Robotic process automation. RPA is stand for robotic process automations. More than ever, technology reached in tipping point in the optimization of corporate functions. Now, similar to the robotizations of product lies in the 19th, corporate functions are initiating today's their robotic transformation revolutions. In this century, most of the works are going towards the automations, and for that automizations we need the some help, some device help, and there that device is called as robo, the electronic device or mechatronic device which helps to perform the work to the human. But that nowadays improving, this is not helping to the man. The robo itself taking some of the decision and doing the work for human. That is the robotic process automations. We believe the robotic process automations or RPA is lever than will take those corporate functions to the next level, to improving the employee and customer satisfactions. This robotic process automations is working on the next level. Nowadays it is working in the hand of human, but in future it will work then next level. Why this robotic process automation is working for human purpose? To improve the customer satisfactions as well as accelerating the productivity gain. Improving employee customer satisfactions means if you got a robo in your hand to work with you, then you will get a rest, and also the robotic will work error free. In human work there is a possibility of error. वहाँ पे जो है प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, लेकिन अगर आपने एक रोबो बना दिया और वो रोबो को इंस्ट्रक्शन अगर दे दी तो उसी इंस्ट्रक्शन के हिसाब से वर्क करते रहता, तो वहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्ट बनने वाला है दैट प्रोडक्ट विल बी more accurate as well as number of productions will be increase. वहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्शन होगा वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है if you use the robotic process for automations as well as enhancing compliances. और उसमें जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट होंगे वो भी इनहांसेबल रहेंगे, बहुत प्रोडक्ट जो होगा बेहतर से बेहतर प्रोडक्ट जो है वो बनते रहेगा कंपनी में. सो टू रीच दिस बेनिफिट फॉर कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शंस, फॉर एम्प्लॉय इम्प्रूवमेंट, फॉर प्रोडक्ट गेनिंग, प्रोडक्ट इंक्रीजिंग एज वेल एज टू increase the comparability. For this purpose this RAP is useful. RPA is useful. RPA must be implemented on the key corporate functions. How it is implemented? With key corporate functions that include repetitive, standardized and transactional processes and activities such as finance, compliance, treasury and marketing. ये जो फिक्स फंक्शन है अभी भी वो ऑटोमेशंस की ज़रूरत है और वहाँ पे रोबोटिक वर्क जो होते हैं. तो कौन से प्रोसेस में ये जो रोबोटिक प्रोसेस ऑटोमेशन जो है वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहा है या हो गया है. तो जो भी प्रोसेस रिपीटेड होते रहते हैं, रोज़ वही काम अगर आप कर रहे होगे तो हो सकता है वो काम अगर आपने किसी डिवाइस को या किसी रोबोट को अगर दे दिया तो अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि सेम टास्क यू आर परफॉर्मिंग. आज जो काम किया है वही टास्क अगर यू आर डूइंग इन नेक्स्ट डे, again same task you are performing in next day, again same task you are performing in next day, then there is no change in the task. Such type of task, such type of work we can hand over to the machine, we can give to the machines, just we need to do the program for that. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए एक प्रोग्राम करना पड़ेगा और आप कैसे टास्क को परफॉर्म करते हैं उसी हिसाब से आपको वो ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा मशीन को. यू हैव टू ट्रेन दैट वर्क टू द मशीन. मेनी टाइम यू हैव टू ट्रेन सो दैट देयर द एरर विल बी मिनिमाइज. अगर एरर मिनिमाइज करना है तो आपको एक ही बार ट्रेन करने से नहीं होगा, आपको 2 बार 3 बार सिस्टम को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा, रोबो को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. ट्रेन करना मतलब क्या है, जो टास्क आपने आज किया सेम टाइप ऑफ टास्क यू कैन नॉट परफॉर्म ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे. आप कुछ भी काम करो वो काम आप एक आज के जैसा ही कल नहीं कर सकते. थोड़ा सा उसमें डिफरेंस आता है. मतलब अगर आप बाइक लेके कॉलेज में या स्कूटर लेके आपकी कॉलेज में आते हैं, ठीक है, तो एक वही रोड से आते होगे, रोज़ डेली का जो रोड है वो आपका सेम है, लेकिन कल जिस स्पेस में आपकी बाइक चली थी, आज जिस स्पेस में आपकी बाइक चली थी कल उसी स्पेस में आपकी बाइक चलेगी ऐसा नहीं होगा. थोड़ा सा तो भी उसमें डिफरेंस होगा, रास्ता तो वही होगा, लेकिन जो एक्यूरेसी है तो कल में और आज में थोड़ा सा वो डिफरेंस रहेगा. इसीलिए आपको मल्टीपल टाइम जो है वो जो एरर है वो मिनिमाइज करने के लिए मल्टीपल टाइम आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सिस्टम को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. तो वो सिस्टम को ट्रेन जब आप करेंगे तभी आपकी जो सिस्टम है आपको असिस्ट करेंगी for process. तो ऐसे कौन से टास्क है कि जो आप रिपीटेड करते हैं, कंपनी में जो रिपीटेड टास्क होते हैं वो टास्क है फाइनेंस सेक्टर में होता है, डेली के जो ट्रांजैक्शन है। तो आपको मालूम है वी कैन विड्रॉ मनी फ्रॉम द एटीएम मशीन। तो एटीएम मशीन आपको पैसे जो है गिन के देती है, जो भी अमाउंट आपने वहाँ पे डाली तो निकाल के गिन के आपको देती है। तो पहले वही जो टास्क है इन ट्रेडिशनल व्हाट हैपन, देयर वेयर द पर्सन्स कैशियर वेयर इन द बैंक, but nowadays there are the most of the bank has less manpower because of the ATM machines. ATM machines क्या कर रही है अभी, जो कैशियर थे बैंक में उनके जगह पे ATM मशीन्स आ गए और कैशियर कैश काउंट करके आपको देता था, आपके अकाउंट से वो इतनी अमाउंट डिडक्ट करता था, लेकिन सेम टास्क इज परफॉर्मिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ ATM मशीन्स। तो फाइनेंस में हो गया। और कंप्लायंस, अगर आपको कंपेयर करना है, क्वालिटी चेक करना है, तो भी आप सेम टास्क वही रिपीटेड टास्क कर रहे हैं, तो यू कैन यूज देयर द रोबोटिक प्रोसेसेस। जैसे कि समझो एक मोबाइल फ़ोन बना रही है कंपनी, और ये मोबाइल फ़ोन जो है सही ढंग से बनाया है या नहीं, इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, दैट कैन बी चेक बाय द मशीन। अभी के प्रोसेस में क्या हो रहा है, इन ट्रेडिशनल प्रोसेसेस ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन इज़ देयर। पर्सन जो भी एम्प्लॉय है, क्वालिटी चेकर एम्प्लॉय जो है वो चेक करता है पूरे डिवाइस को अच्छा है या नहीं। तो अच्छा अगर होगा तो रख देता साइड में, अच्छा प्रॉपरली बन गया तो रख देता साइड में, एक ही टास्क करते रहता। दैट टास्क आल्सो वी कैन गिव टू द मशीन। मशीन को एक बार बना देंगे कि मोबाइल जो है परफेक्ट मोबाइल कब होगा, उसका साउंड, उसका डिस्प्ले, उसका बैक कवर, उसका कैमरा कैसा दिखता, उसको एक बार ट्रेन कर दिया कि वो उसी हिसाब का अगर डिवाइस उसके सामने आ गया चेकिंग के लिए कंपनी से, तो वो चेक करेगा और दे देगा, यस इट इज़ कंप्लीट डिवाइस। एज वेल एज दिस कैन बी यूज इन द ट्रेजरी एंड मार्केटिंग। मार्केटिंग में भी सेम टाइप ऑफ जॉब पर्सन क्या करते हैं, नाउ अ डे you have to create the advertise and push that advertise onto the social media for advertising purpose. एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए अभी आप सोशल मीडिया पे कंटेंट पुश करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप प्रोग्राम लगा सकते हैं कंटेंट पुश करने के लिए। एज वेल एज जो भी अभी एडवर्टाइज करने के लिए बाहर कोई टैक्सी पे बैनर लगाता है, कोई माइक लगा के बोलता है कि कोरोना की टेस्ट जो है करा के ले लो, या आप जो कोरोना की जो वैक्सीन आ गई है वो ले लो। टेलीविज़न पे रिपीटेड वो एडवर्टाइज आती रहती है। तो such type of a task also we can distribute to the machines. Machine will help to do you these tasks, advertising task. Within these corporate functions, not all processes and activities are eligible to robotic process automations, though hence need to select them carefully in order to reap the maximum benefit from the रोबोटिक प्रोसेस इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। आप सभी का सभी टास्क रोबो को नहीं दे सकते, तो जो भी रिपीटेड टास्क है ओनली सच टाइप ऑफ टास्क यू कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, यू कैन गिव टू द रोबोटिक प्रोसेस ऑटोमेशंस, नॉट ऑल द वर्क विल परफॉर्म देयर। इन एडिशनल रोबोटिक ऑटोमेशन प्रोसेसेस की सक्सेस फैक्टर्स consist of paying particular attentions to design and appropriate implementation journey, sticking to company specifics. अगर आपको इसमें सक्सेस होना है तो यू हैव टू गिव अ पर्टिकुलर टास्क which is appropriate implementations. All tasks suppose you have completed very well, only those tasks we have to give to the robotic process automations. This is the key functions. मतलब you know the path of the work, you know very well algorithm of that product, then that we can give to the machines to perform. What is robotic process automation compared to the traditional automation? रोबोटिक में क्या होता है? In robotic process automation, there artificial intelligence or intelligence machines use that is capable to the machine learning as well as artificial intelligence. Artificial technology have three major capabilities. Artificial intelligence में 3 टाइप के कैपेबिलिटीज होते हैं. 3 टाइप कौन से? कैप्चर इंफॉर्मेशन थ्रू विजन एंड साउंड रिकग्निशन एंड सर्च और डेटा एनालिसिस. फर्स्ट जो है वो क्या करता है? इंफॉर्मेशन कैप्चर करता है थ्रू विजन और साउंड रिकग्निशन. जैसे कि आपका मोबाइल फ़ोन है, योर मोबाइल फ़ोन इज ऑल्सो कैप्चर द साउंड. हाउ? कैसे कैप्चर करता है? थ्रू द साउंड. You know your mobile phone has one function that is Google. Hi Google, if you said, then it reacts. If that is Android mobile phone. If you have iPhone, then you can use the Siri. Hi Siri, if you say, your mobile phone will be response. Hey Siri. Likewise, there are the commands. So capturing information through the sound or photograph, you can also capture the photograph and collect the informations. And search or data analysis, search कर सकते हैं. You can find the informations with the help of this artificial intelligence and machine learning, as well as another type of functions which is in the robotic process automation is leverage algorithms and machine learning to provide input for interpretation of data. With the help of learning algorithm, it can be interpret the data. Data is proper or not. Suppose I have demanded questions to you, short questions or MCQs. I said to you, please write down the MCQs on this content, on this point. You have submitted me. You can see that. But the information is not completed. The partial information is submitted by some student. So this can be complied. This can be checked. This can be find with the help of robotic process automations. You see, Vishal sent me a questions. The question is appeared here. You can see what skill should be listed down on the resume for the data science job. In first option, he haven't written anything. In a second option, he also did not written anything, as well as in option third he did not written, in option fourth he did not written. So just he has written incorrect answers. So this is the missing value. It can be interpreted with the help of robotic process automation. As well as third point is making appropriate decision and execute them automatically. This is also useful robotic automation process for taking the decision automatically. Now you see the activities are performed by the human helped by technology. human help can take the technology. Like tools are used to perform tasks. Means I can use mobile phone for calling to you. I can use mobile phone for capturing the photograph. Means this is a tool. This is I am using as a tool for capturing the photograph. We can also perform the calculation with the help of calculator tools. In traditional technology, in traditional process, what is happening? We are using the system as a tool. We are using the devices as a tool, and with the help of this tool, we are performing the task. But in the other side, what is there? The end-to-end process are carried out by the robot. Calculation also takes place with the help by the robot, and directly we get the output. You just tell to the robot what is the today's benefit or asset of our company, what is total asset of our today's. If you ask to robot directly give you the report, directly give you the output. But if you are not using robot, then you have to use calculator, you have to use computer, you have to use some software as a tool. Other thing is, employee bridge the gap between the automated string of tasks. Here some of the employees are required, persons are required as an employee. But in robotics, what is there? The robot connect existing tools and employee handles only exceptions. No need to use the employee there. Just one employee can perform the whole company's task. If you see the robotic companies in Japan, there one or two peoples are there. No need the huge employee in the company. As well as next is, without human intervention, end-to-end process cannot be carried out autonomously. In this traditional technology, all tasks can't perform automatically if you use the tools. But if you use robot, then all the tasks will perform automatically, because the cognitive technology based on the artificial intelligence expanded the robotic process automations possibilities and help reach the next level of performance. How to illustrate this? The in the micro task is Excel spreadsheet is used, email notification is used, ERP transactions is used in the traditionally. Now you know you can also use the ERP for your content purpose, attendance purpose, lectures purpose, and exam purpose. These are the tools to help to the management, help to the organizations in traditionally. But in also robotics, there are same type of task performed, but with the help of machines. Move data between screen, complete online format PDF, copy and paste, close and rekey into application. Like this task performed with the traditional technology. But in robotic process automations, move data between the screen, complete online form PDFs, no manual copy and paste. But here the manually task can't perform, all tasks happen automatically. Copy paste also, if you want to send the mobile emails to all the students, machine itself send that. And also take the decision, is there need to send the message to all student or not, that decision also taken with the help of robotic process automations. So this technology is developed in the Capgemini feedback. So I think if you have any doubt regarding this point, you can ask. Our time is over. So this corporate function eligible to robotic process automation, finance, compliance, treasury, and marketing. Example of finance: data cleaning, order management, payment processing, compliance reporting, automations, underwritings in banking, automated marketing. All these tasks are the activities of robotic process automations. There are three benefits: to improve the employee and customer satisfactions, as well as accelerated productivity gain and enhance compliances. Improvement employee and customer satisfactions. There 80% improvement happen in this feedback which is given by the campaign Jimmy. Now accelerated productivity gain is also increase. First it was you see there the expenditure required only the 5,000 euro by robo, and if you use the employee there, then 40,000 euro required to perform the same task. So 65% less expensive is there. You can avoid the loss of money near about 65%. The example of process robotization in British Bank. In British Bank there before robotization and implement phase, what was there, every transaction lasts about 30 minutes. Now in India also, if you see if you went into the bank suppose and withdrawed money from the cashiers, it takes time than the automatic means ATM machines. ATM machines take less time than the transaction. Similar type of process happen in the British Bank. After robotization, they are only required 10 minutes. There is one case study for automated control. We will see all these again in next lecture. So just you can ask questions now to me by starting your camera. All are requested to start your camera for 2 minutes. Please start your camera.
John, camera चालू हो गया.
Okay, if you have any doubt, any questions regarding this robotic process automations, you can ask. In next lecture, detailing again we will see. But in this short introduction, if you have any doubt regarding robotic process automation, you can ask. There are various type of robots according to the task, according to the functions. Robots are classified. You see some of the robo have wheel. So 4-wheeler robots is there, 2 wheels robo is there, 3-wheel robo is there, as well as robotics arm is there. If only the robo performing the task, lifting and placing the things, then there the robo arm is used. I requested to start the camera. Start your camera. कैमरा चालू करो आपका. Is there any question? किसी को कोई डाउट है, क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज पूछिए.